Good morning, this is Anka Metcalf with TradeOutLoud.com. This is my pre-market game plan for major future indices, gold and oil, for today, for Tuesday, October 18th, and it is 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Yesterday, following the earnings announcement from Netflix, contracts of NQ price accelerated higher and traded above 4,800, clearing the resistance. And once more, it continued its ascending move into the first area of resistance and actually trading over the first area of resistance, which is at 48.41. We have price now that is trading slightly above 48.45 is where we're trading right now, and we're getting a really accelerated move, almost a climactic move to the upside. The next resistance that we have is all the way into 48.80. Any pullback in NQ on minor time frames is viable. However, it's a little extended right now to just jump in. So make sure you wait for a pullback at least into the 35 area, 35 or 27 if we should have that. If not, pay very close attention to the New York session open. Take a look on the 5-minute chart or the 2-minute chart and see how they are positioned. And obviously they look higher. They're actually entering into a really nice tradable void all the way to 48.80 with a final target at 4,900. So they look very, very bullish. Right now, they have cleared this resistance area and they have plenty of room to move higher. YM, although yesterday was lagging as well as ES, had the same push to the upside. However, it's still underwater because we are still trading below this 18,200, which is our line in the sand for continuing higher. YM and ES continue to be on the weak side. However, any pullback into 18,100 should look to be viable. And again, the other confirmation is going to come over 18,150. So that's going to be the first area to test with a target into 18,200. So far you cannot see a really good stop for a day trade right off the bat from 9:30 a.m. Because we had this very extended move to the upside and literally no pullback. The only pullback was here where you had this little sandwich, little bull sandwich here at 1880 zone. So right now, look for a pullback. Remember, look at this 200 moving average. 18,100 is going to be the area. And I would look for an entry into this area between 125 and probably we're going to have a 15 to 20 point stop here. And our first target is going to be 18,150, 18,200, and all the way into this prior high, 18,251. Remember, the line in the sand is going to be that 18,200 because it's a very tough area to digest. It comes from a daily resistance, and that is back in October 2nd. So it's very, very big area of resistance. ES had the same nice run. Once it cleared the first area of resistance, it consolidated and it broke higher. It's trying to erase this resistance area here. However, it's still into a lot of chop all the way into 2140. However, we can look to go long, but again, you wait for the open. If we are very strong right off the open, you can consider a smaller time frame and see how it is positioned. However, it may pull back into 2135 zone. If it should pull back into 2125 zone, you can consider an entry into 2137 with a stop into below 2135 and look for further targets into 2145, 2150, 2155, 2160 and all the way targets into 2175. What these higher targets mean, it means that they signify the fact that these E-minis have room to run. GC is looking really nice on the daily chart. Okay, GC is looking really nice on the daily chart for those of you, and I have been talking about this formation, about this cluster here that is forming for about 2 weeks now, I guess. Once it clears this resistance 64, 65, even 63 area, it has room to continue higher with the first target into 1280, second target into 1300, and into 1310. This is more of a swing trade rather than a day trade. You can consider it as a day trade as well. If you look at a minor time frame chart, you could see that it's rather whippy, and I really don't like that minor time frame chart. However, overnight had a really nice move in stages. So this was a stage one, from a swing low to a swing high, and then it came a pullback. Then we had another rally into 1265, and now we're hovering into this area. This is a 15-minute chart. So definitely it's finding support in the upper part of 1260, which means that if it clears 1264, it does have room to continue higher. And like I said, the next target is going to be 1280. Last but not least, CL. CL is actually popped again from that low, from that support area at 49.50. It traded higher. It is trading now at $50.80, and it's consolidating, and we're trading a new contract. We have room to move higher into 51, 52, and 53, even $55 zone. So we can continue higher. Expect a little choppiness now, because whenever a new contract starts trading, you're going to expect a little bit of increased volatility. So pay attention at the open. And again, I think if it's going to clear $51 zone, it's definitely going to move higher. This was all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at info@tradeoutloud.com. Remember that our next 7-day futures class starts on November 19th through the 21st, through the 25th. I'm sorry. So I'll see you tomorrow morning with another update and another game plan for Wednesday. Thank you, and have a wonderful, profitable day.